Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube free. And I say free because there are some people that are teaching you to use paid traffic to boost your channel, which I've seen that work in some cases. And I've also seen where there's people that, they want you to, buy views, and that boosts your engagement as well. But I want to teach you how to do it completely free. Okay, completely free, where you're doing it organic. I'm going to give you a proven method, the method that I actually use myself and I continue to use today, where I'm closing in now on 2,000 subscribers. All right, so with that being said, before we get into content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically, my friend. So with that being said, let's get into the content. All right, so as you can see, I'm here on YouTube. Now, I'm going to give you, it's going to be crazy how simple what it is that I'm going to show you. But what I want you to do is I want you to follow along with me, okay? So get ready, you're already on your computer, or if you're on your phone, go ahead and find your computer, or you can do it on your phone, however you want to do it, okay? Now, let's get into it. I'm going to pull up an incognito browser to do it, just so the stuff that I was already searching doesn't come up and it's not a distraction. All right, so number one, I want you to type in your niche or your company. So whether you're in network marketing, maybe you're in affiliate marketing, whatever your business is, your company, the niche, I want you to type it into the search box, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my niche in the search box as well. Okay. All right. So here we go. Affiliate marketing is my niche. So once you type your niche in, I want you to hit enter. Or I want you to hit the search box. All right. Now, once everything starts to pop up, I want you to filter. You see right here where it says filter? I want you to go to channels. This is step 2, guys. So make sure you're doing this as I'm telling you. I want this to be, real interactive. All right. So these are all the channels that are inside of the affiliate marketing niche. So that's a bunch of different channels that I can literally go through to grab content, because that's what we're going to do. All right. So this right here, very popular channel. This guy definitely knows what he's talking about. I'm just going to use him for an example. All right, now you're gonna click on the first one, or whichever one you want to go ahead and click on. Just make sure you click on one of them and go into the channel. And what I want you to do, you see where it says home, videos, playlist, community? What you want to do is you want to click on videos. Okay, don't worry about anything else right now. Just click on videos. All right, now these are all the videos that this creator has uploaded so far. Now what you're gonna do, we don't care about all of these videos. We care about, you see this right here where it says sort by? You're going to click on sort by, and you're going to hit most popular. You saw that, right? Now what it's going to do is it's going to pull up the most popular videos that this person has. Why? Because we want engagement. We want to grow our channel. So we want the most popular videos that these channels have, and it's not to get all of them, right? I don't want to confuse you with that. It's not to get every single popular video. What you want to do is you want to go through, because some channels, they do a lot of different content. So you want to kind of seek through and see what type of content is going to fit your channel. Okay, so let's kind of just look at a few of these. Okay, how to make money on YouTube, 11,000 a month with, what does that say? 11,000 a month with very small channels. Boom. That could be something that goes on your channel if you're in this niche, right? See, his channel is strictly affiliate marketing based business type channel. So if you're in affiliate marketing, even network marketing, or any type of affiliate or network marketing, then most of his content is going to work for your channel. Now I know he does YouTube content as well, which is that's a perfect example of one where he's showing you, a method that he's used to make that type of income. And then if you keep scrolling down, you're going to find videos. But the key here is that all of these are their most popular videos, right? So you can go through, I'm not going to tell you which one to pick, but if you can see if you can see yourself recreating content, because that's where we're moving towards. once you look at their video or you just look at their title and you check out their thumbnail, sometimes you don't even have to look at the video. What I do sometimes is I won't always watch the video. I'll just look at the title and I'll look at the style of their thumbnail. And then I'll go and recreate my own thumbnail, not the exact same thumbnail, but something that looks similar. Then I know everyone is unique in their own way, right? So when I create my videos as me. I don't copycat what other people do because we're all unique in our own way, right? So with that being said, once you find those videos, now you just compile a list. Now let me show you what I was doing before. All right, so let's go back over here. And what you'll see right here is this is a Google Sheet. Okay. Now what you can do is you can, what I'll probably do is I'll probably put this in the description so you can actually do this yourself. And that way you can create your list of people who you want to go after and recreate content based on what they've already created, right? Everyone's unique, right? Just don't copycat, just model off of what they're doing, okay? All right, so for example, you see Mike Vastille. Some of you guys that are on my channel, you may know who Mike Vastille is. He's also in the affiliate marketing niche as well, okay? So what I did is I looked at some of his titles. This was one of his titles, top 3 ways to make $100 per day as a broke individual, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and I think I did that exact title, but we'll see if I did or not. Let's type that in. Okay, so he comes up right there again. We may or may not see my video, right? I'm not saying I actually ranked for the video, but I think I did something similar on my channel. Let me just type Rakeem at the end of that and let you see what I did. Let's see if I pop up. Okay, so here's my playlist for it, but I don't see my actually video, but that's the video that I did that's in the playlist that's ranking for that. All right, so, okay, there we go right there. How to earn $100 per day online without investment. This is too easy. I just basically took something that he did. I created my own version of it. Easy, $100 per day, no investment needed. Now, did I copy off what he did? No, I just made my own version of what he has already created, okay? Then another one, how to make $100 per day as a broke individual, which I think that was the one I actually went with. Let's see. Let's go back to what I had. Oh man, I didn't try to do that. All right, so yeah, pretty much. I just changed it up a little bit. And then right here, this is another title, 5 Ugly Truths About Learning How to Make Money Online. Now, what I like to do is I don't like to do the exact title sometimes. Like, I'll mix it up a little bit, but it's still basically saying the exact same thing. So as you can see, channel, title, the views, the total views that it has, right? So you can see if something has over 150,000 views, 160,000 views, you know that topic was something that people were actually searching for, right? And then the upload date, after some time, this one wasn't really that important, because this kind of went with views per day. So look at the date that it was uploaded and then look at how many views it was getting per day. Now, in the past, on YouTube, I think it was like on the older view, you can do like, let me see if you can do it on here. All right, so here we go. You see these 3 dots right here? If you go to, yeah, it's not even right there. So if I go to Creator Studio, I'm gonna see if it shows me like how the old version of YouTube used to look, because that's how we were able to see it. We may or may not be able to see it in this video, but we'll see. Let's go back to the home screen and see if I can do it. I think YouTube has changed their, okay, so this looks like the older version. So what I want to do now is I'm going to paste that same title and I'm going to put my name again just to kind of show you if it actually even shows up. All right, so this looks like the old one, so it should work just fine. It doesn't matter which video I can do. Okay, so let me just click on this. And what I'm going to do is, this is how the old version of YouTube looks. Okay, please. Okay, let's stop this ad real quick. All right, so here we go. Right here, you see this? The 3 dots again? Click it, and then you're going to hit, where is it? It should be something that says statistics. YouTube might have just completely forgot, like completely got rid of it. I'm not 100% sure. I'll try it on my video, and if it doesn't work, then they just don't have it, so you don't have to worry about that too much on your for the statistics for the video. All right, so let's see. Yeah, so YouTube got rid of it, guys, so I'm not gonna waste any more time with that. But yeah, you don't have to worry about the upload date and the views per day. I would just focus on the channel, whoever channel it is, the channel name, the title of the videos, the most popular ones, and then the amount of views, so you can see the virality, and then you can go ahead and recreate content based on what has already been made, but make it unique to you, because somebody may love watching your content, but they may not like watching that content as much as you think they probably do, right? Don't ever feel like if somebody already did something, oh, why should I do it if someone already did it? No, you do it in your way, and you're going to create some very unique, powerful content. So literally, guys, that is literally all I've done, guys. 5 steps. Recap real quick. Number 1, okay? Number 1, you're going to search in, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but basically you're going to search your niche or your company in here. Then once you, let me just type green juices, just for a quick example. You're going to type green juices, okay? Then you're going to hit filter. You're going to hit channel, okay? Now it's going to bring up all the green juices channels. You're going to click on a channel, okay? You're going to go to videos, and you're going to hit date. You see this right here? You're going to click most popular. And literally, guys, you're going to literally create a list of their most popular videos. Now, of course, this wouldn't be a great example because they don't really have anything going on. But that's what you're going to do. You're going to look at all their stuff, right? Their most popular stuff. You're going to create new content based around it. So if you got to watch their video, watch it, but only model. Don't completely copy someone else's video. Model it and create your own spice with it. Okay, and that is literally, guys, how I grew, almost closing in on 2,000 subscribers right now personally, and I continue to grow every single day, and that's how you're going to blow your channel up. The key word in today's video is create. Create content, guys. Let's get out there and let's dominate. So I hope you followed me along through the video. And now you have a better idea of how to get to 1,000 subscribers. So with that being said, if you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business. And also, please don't forget this one. This is the most important one. Click that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically. All right? So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.